Let's practice again your name, okay? Hold this one. Here, ha? Blue to blue. Blue to blue. Very good. Yun. Not too big. Oh, erase, erase. Properly. You need to practice writing properly. Blue to blue. Ayan. Red. Properly. Red lang. Until red lang. Red to blue only. Red to blue. Red to blue. Red. Very good. Kanina, diba, beginning sound tayo. Now, we are going to look for the ending sound. If it's ending sound, where can we hear it? At first or last? Saan kaya ang ending sound? Ending. End means last, okay? The last sound. Or for example, what emotion does the girl shows?
Happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Is she happy? Look, how do you do this face? How do you do this face? Ganyan, happy ba siya?
Yeah.
Sad.
Happy.
If we have the s and a sound, what do you think is the ending sound? Sad.
Happy.
Right properly.
Happy.
Sad. It's sad. This one first. We need to do it first. Sad. Not yet. Here. Not yet. Wait. Let's pause muna. Pause. Hold your hand. Relax, relax. Relax. Give me your hand.
Oh.
You need to give me your hand. You need to relax. Relax. Relax muna, okay? Okay, ayan. Wow, what is this? Ano kaya to? What do you think is this body part?
Sad.
This one? Sad ba to?
Yeah.
Look. Is this sad? Five seconds ha, and then let's answer na. Okay, time is up.
I want to play that one.
Later, you're not answering pa nga po eh. Let's finish this one so that you can have playtime na. You will not have playtime kapag hindi mo natapos, right?
I want to do this.
That's the deal. You need to finish first your work before playing.
Only this or
Yeah,
only this so I can play?
yeah, only this one.
And then we will do this.
After this, you will have your break time, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then
And then while taking a break, you can play. Let's finish this one. This is just
After
1, 2, 3, 4,
After
5,
this-
6. It's only 6 questions.
only this I got my snack time.
This one, answer this, break, and then while eating, you can talk with Jaden. And then after that, you are going to do math like yesterday.
I don't know.
Remember the whiteboard? Oh,
Science.
you want science?
Yeah.
That's your favorite subject?
Yeah.
O sige, we will study science too, okay? But now, let's finish these 6 items, okay? Let's finish this one para you will have your snack time. Ready? Okay. This fast. What do you think is the ending
Sad.
sound of sad? Is it g, n, or d?
And
You choose here and write it here. Sad. Look at the picture.
Dot.
Dot. Look here.
the dot.
Look at the people. Are they girls or boys?
Boys.
Boys. We call them men. Men. Ayan. What's that body part?
Lips.
Lip.
Car.
Car or cab?
Car.
Cab. And the last one,
Children.
children, or it's him. Him.
What?
Him. Let's check, okay? Check with teacher one, ah. Sad, D, dot, T, men, N, lip, look here, lip, P, cab, B, him, M. Wow! It's over 6. What's your score?
I
Count.
want 6 out of 10.
Count mo muna. Count.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're not looking. You need to look. 1, 2, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, write your score here at the
I
top.
want 6 out of 10.
You got a perfect score again, Kuya Andre.
And
6. Very good. Okay. Circle natin. Okay.